Well, good evening, folks. Doug here with Sewell Motorcoach. I'm sitting at home, relaxed. I actually put my hat back on for you because you don't want to see the rest of this mess. But got some exciting news and something that just popped up in front of me. I've known the potential that this was going to happen for a few weeks now, but it happened.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
I'm going to show you the floor plan. They also have a brand new paint scheme for 2026 model year. Just go to their website, and this just came up literally in the last 24 hours. It finally came up on the website. I'm going to show you here. We are on the 26 Allegro bus, and we're going to go down right here. This is the new floor plan right here. 45 BP. Look at this, folks. Starting up at the front over on the right, you see it's just a standard Tiffin build. You can see all the options from the theater seat to these different sofas. You could do a credenza with a fireplace, booth dinette, and then you get to the middle of the coach, you see you have 30 by 72 bunks with an optional desk. So if you work from the road, you don't have to do the bunks. You can do the optional desk. And then as you get to the back of the coach, or well, stay in the middle, you notice you have a shower, a 41-inch shower with a little toilet area, still have a king-size bed, wardrobes on either side of the television with some drawers so you don't lose storage. But over here, yes, that is an optional 30 by 60 bathtub with a 32-inch TV on a wedge. That, folks, is pretty darn cool. Give us a call if you're interested in talking about one of these buses, want to get some pricing. Yes, I already have the pricing for this. I do believe I am the first dealer in the country to recognize that this is active. I actually asked questions of about a month ago when this was going to happen. They didn't come out and tell me it was going to happen, but there was some hesitation in the answer. So I thought this was coming. I didn't think it was going to happen this soon. I thought this was going to be something that would be released at the dealer show in April, but looks like they got it ready. Looks like this coach is going to be headed to the Tampa RV show. So if you're interested in buying one of these, get to the Tampa RV show. Put your feet in the coach, see it, touch it, feel it, and give us a call if you want to put an order in. 2 full bathrooms, bunkhouse, optional bathtub, optional desk. This is a cool floor plan. 45-foot Allegro bus. This has been needed for a while. We're excited about it here. I've already placed orders for 2 of these. I'd love to get an order in for you now. Give me a call if you want to talk about timing, when they can come in, pricing, how soon we can get you one, all that kind of stuff. Love to do a deal with you. Thanks for watching this video. This is a quick, simple, easy video. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed evening. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my evening here in Central Kentucky. Don't forget to hit the website, SewellMotorcoach.com. And if you've watched, I forgot to mention, if you watch this video and you're interested in ordering one of these new 2 full bathroom bunkhouse units and you want to talk to me directly, give me a call on my cell phone. Well, I should say that. Text me on my cell phone because that's the way to get a hold of me. 859-613-2574. Have a great night.